Hi children, today we discuss about the 7th class chapter 5 triangles. Okay, now let us about the what is meant by triangle. That is introduction part, introduction of triangles. What is meant by triangle? Triangle means, tri means 3. Tri means 3. 3 angles. 3 angles. How can you form a angles? Union of the two rays form a angle. Union of the two rays is form a angle. AOB form a angle. Here AOB. O is here form a angle. Okay. Now 3 angles. Joining the 3 angles is called triangle. How can you join the 3 angles? It is a when closed figure. What is a closed figure? One subject here like this one figure is there. This one is open figure and this one closed figure. Starting and ending points are different is called open figure. Both are in same. Starting and ending points are same point is called closed figure. These two are curved figures. Now this one closed figure by line segments. Okay, and this one also closed figure by line segments. This one 4 line segment, this one 5 line segments. Okay, and smallest closed figure by line segments is called triangle. Here 3 angles are there. Here 3 angles. Here 4 lines here form a 4 angles. Here by 5 line segments here form a 5 angles. Here 3 angles is the smallest closed figure by line segment. This one is when a line by line segments the closed figure form, this one is called polygons. By line segments a simple closed figure formed by line segments is called a polygon. The first polygon is triangle. The first polygon is triangle. Okay children? Triangle. What is meant by triangle? A simple closed figure formed by 3 line segments is called a triangle. A simple closed figure. This one is a closed figure formed by 3 line segments is called a triangle. Draw one triangle using scale and pencil children. This one triangle. Name them. A, B, C. A, B, C is triangle. How many angles formed? 3 angles are formed. One subject the children. Here AB is one line segment, BC is one line segment and CA is one line segment. 3 line segments here. 3 line segment AB, BC and CA. And 3 angles are formed. Angle A, angle B and angle C. And common point are called vertices. Common points are called vertices. In this triangle you can write in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, 3 vertices. What are the 3 vertices? A, B and C. 3 sides. The line segments are called sides of the triangle. In a triangle, the line segments are called sides of the triangle. Sides you can mention by 2 alphabets AB line segment, BC line segment and CA line segment. Okay, and continue. One subject children. Here triangle ABC is there. AB, BC and CA clockwise or anti-clockwise. ABC or triangle ACB. You can write it clockwise or anti-clockwise. Like this sides also AB, BC and CA. Continuity is there. Okay. And 3 angles. What are the 3 angles? Angle A, angle B and angle C. 3 angles are there. Okay. 3 in triangle ABC, 3 vertices A, B, C and 3 sides AB, BC and CA and 3 angles are there. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay. This one is called the triangles. 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. Where is you can see the triangles in daily life? మనం ఎక్కడెక్కడ చూస్తామా ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఫిగర్స్? వెరీ గుడ్. కరెంట్ పోల్స్, అలాగే మనకి సెల్ టవర్స్ ఉంటాయి. సెల్ టవర్స్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ షేప్. ఓకే. అలాగే రైల్వే స్టేషన్‌లోని, బస్ కాంప్లెక్స్‌లోని షెడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. షెడ్స్ పైన కూడా మనం ట్రయాంగిల్ షేప్‌లో చూస్తాం. దీస్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. ఓకే. నౌ what are the inside? This one is this one is inside of the triangle. Inside of the triangle, that is called interior. That is called interior. Interior of the triangle. Interior. Triangle outside. In triangle, divide the plane into three parts. Inside, outside, on the boundary. Outside is called exterior. Outside are called exterior. Okay. Exterior. Inside are called interior. Outside is called exterior. Okay, children. And now listen the review exercise. And see the children. In triangle ABC, A is vertex. Vertex A opposite side. What is vertex A opposite side? BC. Vertex A opposite side. Vertex A opposite side is BC. Okay. Otherwise, vertex B opposite side is AC. Vertex C opposite side is AB. Once observe, children. Vertex A opposite side. In triangle ABC, vertex A, triangle ABC, vertex A, close the vertex A. Remaining numbers BC, that is the opposite side. Like this, angle B opposite side. Opposite side. What is the angle B? Close the angle B. Remaining AC are there. That is the opposite side. AC is opposite side. Like this, side AB opposite angle. Side AB opposite angle. What is the opposite angle of side AB? Close the AB. Remaining letter is there. That is angle C. Angle you can mention by angle. Sides are you can represent by line segment AC and line segment BC. Like this. Okay. Now see the children. Review exercise in page number 90. First question. Mark any three non-collinear points A, B and C in your notebook. Join them and to make a triangle and name it. Mark any three non-collinear points. Non-collinear points means not on the same line. Collinear points means all dots, you can make some dots, all are in same line, is called collinear. Is called collinear. This one is called collinear. Non-collinear, only 3 points A, B, C and not in a same line. You can put any 3 points A, B and C. A, B and C. Join them. Join them. These you can join. Join them and to make a triangle and name it. What is the name of triangle? The name of the triangle is triangle ABC. Name is triangle ABC. Okay. Now see the second question, children. Observe the given triangle and answer the following. Observe the given triangle and answer the following. Here triangle is given. Triangle PQR. Triangle you can given. See the page number 90, children. PQR triangle is there. Some points are inside, some points are outside, some points are on the line. Here given questions are there. Write the interior points of the triangle. What are the interior? Inside of the triangle is called interior of the triangle. Second question, interior points. Interior points. What are the interior points? Inside points. J, O, A and J, P, O and A. Next, write the points marked on the triangle. Write the points marked on the triangle. marked on triangle. What are the marked on triangle? Triangle PQR is the triangle. In triangle PQR, don't write the PQR. Remaining letters you should write G, E. Only G and E. Third one, exterior points of the triangle. Exterior points. Exterior points. Is outside. F, G, F, G, I. F, G, I. Okay, this one exterior points of the triangle. Now third question. Observe the given triangle and answer the following. First one, the opposite side vertex L is. Given triangle, here one triangle is there. Once see the children. Triangle KLM. Triangle KLM. Given. What is the triangle name? Triangle KLM. First verse. Opposite side to vertex L. The opposite side to vertex L. Opposite side to vertex L. What is the opposite side vertex L? You close the L. Close the L. What is the remaining numbers? K and M. Is K, M. Side means you can draw line segment. Line segment K, M. Okay, second one. The opposite side to angle K. The opposite side to angle K is angle K side. Close the angle K, angle letter. Remaining what is the number? L and M. L, M. Line segment L, M. Third one, the opposite angle to KL. The opposite angle to KL. The opposite angle to KL is KL. Close the KL. What is the opposite angle? M. Angle means you should write angle symbol and M. Angle M. This one read as angle M. Fourth one, the opposite vertex to LM. The opposite vertex to LM is LM. Close the LM. Vertex is K. Vertex, only vertex. Don't write the line, angle and line segment. Only K. Okay. This one, third one. Now see the fourth one. Fourth one is very easy. Classify the following angles into acute, obtuse and right angles. Given some angles are given, we can classify the which one is acute, which one is obtuse and which one is the right angles. You all learn in the 6th class. Okay children. 20 degrees for fourth question. Fourth question. Classify the angles. 20 degrees. 20 degrees which angle? Acute angle. Acute angle. Okay. 50 degrees. 50 degrees also acute angle. Acute angle. 102 degrees. 102 degrees obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. 47 degrees. This one acute angle. Below 90 degrees is called above 0 and below 90 degrees is called acute angle. 102 degrees more than 90, below 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. 47 degrees. This one more than 0, less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Acute angle. 125. 125 is more than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. This one is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. 65 degrees. This one less than 90. More than 0 degrees. Less than 90, more than 0 degrees is called acute angle. Acute angle. 36 degrees. This one also less than 90. Acute angle. Acute angle. 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees. Which angle? Very good. Exactly 90 degrees is called right angle. Right angle. And 95 degrees is more than 90, less than 180. This one is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Last but 110 degrees. 110 degrees. 110 degrees is more than 90, less than 180. This one also called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay. This one you can classify the angles. What is the acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle. Okay. In fifth sum, observe the fifth sum. See the children. Write the intersecting point and concurrent point of the adjacent figure. Once observe the children. Here some lines are given. This one line is P is 1 point here and this one is cut at 3 points. P is cut by the only 2 lines. It is cut into the only 2 lines, that is called intersecting lines. For example, 2 lines meet 1 point is called intersecting point. 2 or more lines meet 1 point. This one is called concurrent point. 3 or more lines join at 1 point is called concurrent point. These lines are called concurrent lines. Here only 2 lines meet 1 point is called intersecting lines and intersecting point. This common point is called intersecting point. Okay. Now here what is the intersecting point? P is the intersecting point. What is the concurrent point? Q is the concurrent point. Okay. Fifth one. A figure like this is given. P join only 2 lines, but point Q have more than 2 lines. More than P is called P is intersecting point. Intersecting point. And Q is concurrent point. Q is concurrent point. Okay. This is the review exercise.